Okay, so in this video we will try to understand position of point with respect to ellipse. Okay, and then we will understand the concept of, like, we will deal with line and ellipse. Now we will crack both of them one by one. Now try to understand this part. Like, you know that this is ellipse. Okay, so because of this ellipse means, look, I'll be giving you equation of ellipse: x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1. Okay, it can be horizontal, it can be vertical, it can be anything. Now this ellipse has divided the plane into three parts. Now part 1, outside ellipse. Okay, outside ellipse. Second part, on ellipse. Third part, inside ellipse. So how we will respond? Like in previous session you guys have handled S1. So if you will talk about S1, S1 is what? Point satisfaction. So who is S? S is this curve, x square by a square plus y square by b square minus 1. So I'll be giving you one point. You have to satisfy that point in this equation. Okay, if s1 comes out to be greater than 0, so point is outside the curve. If s1 comes out to be 0, it is on the curve. If s1 comes out to be negative number, this means it is inside the curve. Okay, so this thing you have studied in circle, then parabola, now in ellipse. So it is same here as well. Okay, now we will try to understand the line and the situation of ellipse. So what we will get, try to understand. So look at this, they will be providing you one ellipse, they will be providing you line. Okay, so suppose that this is the line, so this can be the line, correct? Now look at this, can your line take this face? Correct, means one touch. And can your line take this situation, two cut? Okay, so what is this thing? This thing is, means they will give you one equation of curve. They will give you, look at this, so they will give you x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1. So this is the equation of ellipse. Now they will give you equation of line, y equals mx plus c. Now you know that you have to solve this line and this ellipse. So for this case you are having 2 points. 2 points means what? D should be greater than 0, two roots. Okay, this is one touch. One touch means D should be equal to 0, and this is no cut no touch, so D should be less than 0. So how we will interpret? So what we have to do, you have to substitute value of y in, means you have to apply substitution method. You have to substitute value of y in the curve, and then you have to simplify. Like, I'll help you in simplification because condition for tangency is little bit important. So can I write b square x square plus a square y square equals a square b square. I have taken LCM, I did nothing. Okay, now I will put value of y so that I can convert quadratic in x. X square plus a square, in place of y can I write mx plus c whole square equals a square b square. Now I'll open the bracket. So b square x square a square m square x square c square plus 2mc x equals a square b square. Now I'll write quadratic in x. Okay, so what we will get, b square plus a square m square x square. Okay, now we will write x. So it is 2a square mc x plus constant a square c square minus a square b square. Now look at this, we guys are interested in condition for tangency. So if I will talk about tangency, look at this, wait a second. Condition for tangency, look at this. So you got quadratic in x. Now for condition of tangency means what, d should be 0, है ना? So what is d should be 0? So it is b square minus 4ac equals to 0. So look at this, this is your b square. So can I write 4 a power 4 m square c square? So b square minus 4 ac. Here you can take a common, a square common. So a square c square minus b square, and then b square plus a square m square equals to 0. So can I divide both sides by 4? Can I divide by both sides by a square? So we got a square m square c square, correct? Now let's open the bracket. So it is c square b square minus a square m square c square plus b power 4 plus, wait, plus b power 4. So b power 4 is already there, I have used it. So it is a square b square m square, correct? Now look at this, a square mc square, this thing gone, correct? Can I divide both sides by b square? Yes. So we will get what, like suppose I will write b square plus a square m square equals to c square. Okay, so this is the condition of tangency. Okay, tangency in ellipse. Need not to memorize the formula. uh, you can solve this problem like at that point of time also. Okay, but suppose you can memorize, so it's better to go with it, rather you know how to approach this kind of situation. Is that clear? Okay.